This is David from swimmingpoollearning.com. In this video, I'm going to show you the VacDaddy shallow water adapter. And one thing that you can use the VacDaddy for now is to vacuum out spas or water features or kiddie pools, anywhere where you can put the VacDaddy in and connect the adapter. The adapter fits on the front of the VacDaddy, and then you would connect either a small pool hose, or I like to use automatic cleaner hoses. You can easily connect a standard vacuum hose to the front of the shallow water adapter. I like using cleaner hoses. I'll use a Hayward lead hose, and I also like using a female-to-female hose. You can also get a 3-inch female-to-female adapter if you don't have a female hose, and that completes the connection, and then you can vacuum out a spa or water feature. Simply drop in your vacuum head with the hose, connect it to a pool pole, and then put the VacDaddy into the water. Once you have it in there, you'll just connect the hose to the front of the VacDaddy with the shallow water adapter and just set the VacDaddy into the body of water. And then you would just turn the VacDaddy on, and this will allow you to vacuum out, again, spas, water features, anything that is too shallow for you to use the standard VacDaddy attached to your pool pole. It's also a great way to be able to see what you're vacuuming, because the VacDaddy, of course, the discharge puts out a lot of water. So having the shallow water adapter is a great way to vacuum out, again, a small body of water, and you can use it in just about anywhere where you can submerge the VacDaddy. And I've even seen people put the VacDaddy in a bucket of water and use that as kind of their water source and vacuuming out various things. Once you're done, you just take the VacDaddy out after you turn it off, and that's about it. You vacuumed out the small body of water, and it's very simple to use, and it makes the VacDaddy a very versatile portable vacuum. And here's the VacDaddy in a small fountain, and it worked really good. There's a limit to the depth, of course, and I would say you would want at least 8 inches of water to use the VacDaddy in the shallow water. This fountain was about 6 inches deep, so it was a little bit under the limit, so it was taking a little bit of air, but it did work effectively in removing the dirt from this fountain. It's a great device to have if you have somewhere shallow, maybe a kiddie pool or a spa or a fountain to vacuum out, and the VacDaddy shallow water adapter comes in really handy. Pool Service Pro. Open a Leslie's wholesale account today and receive wholesale pricing on products you use every day. Leslie's Pool Supply offers convenient locations that are open 7 days a week. Another great benefit of opening a Leslie's wholesale account is Leslie's referral program. Get referred to a customer looking for weekly pool service. Save time and money and grow your pool service route and become a Leslie's Pro.